Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Well, spring is right around the corner, and today we have another quick 3-minute DIY project that really benefits your heating and ventilation system, and more importantly, helps maintain better air quality in your home. That's changing your HVAC filter at least twice a year, depending on your seasonal weather conditions. Now, I'm not really going to get into a discussion about technical specifications of a Lennox versus a Carrier versus a Train. We're really only covering one small but very important component of your HVAC maintenance plan, and that's the filter. Of course, always refer to your owner's manual for specific system details, filter types, and recommended maintenance intervals. All right, let's jump right into this relatively simple project in a step-by-step process. First, turn off your HVAC system. Again, always refer to your owner's manual to locate your filter, which is typically found embedded inside the air handler. Ours is located at the bottom of the unit. So we've removed the access panel to our filter compartment, and we've carefully removed the existing filter to inspect its condition. Important, never allow any filter to become really filthy. This will make your system work so much harder to push air through the home, and ultimately dirty filters will reduce energy efficiency, drive up costs, and reduce your home air quality. As you can see, our filter is a Lennox 20 by 20 by 5 pleated MERV 11. It's the same OEM filter originally installed in this unit in the summer of 2023. This new filter costs around $40 online, and it captures particles down to 0.3 micron. In most homes, this filter only needs to be replaced every 6 months. Hey, quick side note. If you're interested in learning more about minimum efficiency reporting values, or MERV ratings, and what that might mean for the best option for your home, refer to your owner's manual or visit www.epa.gov. Now mark the new filter with the date it was changed and install it back into the filter compartment. Ensure the airflow arrow is pointing in the proper direction. Securely replace the access panel. And now, last step, turn back on the HVAC system, and your AC system will breathe easier for the next 3 months, and so will you. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.